What's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. I'm the Secret Yorkshire Cook and welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is how to dry herbs in 1 minute. And no, I do not mean wacky backy or the devil's lettuce when I say herbs. If you find this tutorial useful, please smash that like button, drop a comment below of something you'd like me to cook, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do consider. It really does help my channel out. Okay, straight into this video then guys. All you need obviously is the herbs that you're going to dry and a kitchen roll, a piece of kitchen roll. It's very simple. All you need to do is tip the herbs that you have here onto half of the kitchen roll, making sure that you leave half so you can fold it over at the end to make sure all the herbs are covered. So the next step guys is to take that paper towel with the herbs over to your microwave, place it on the tray. You don't need to put anything underneath it, it'll be perfectly fine how it is. You then want to set the microwave for a minute. Now, if you only have a small amount of herbs, only set it for 30 seconds. If it's not done and it's not dry and crispy by the time the 30 seconds is up, then do it for another 30 seconds then. Don't do it for a minute straight off, as you may set it on fire, you may burn it, and you definitely don't want to do that. Okay, so the next step. Take the herbs out of the microwave. When you open up the sheets, they should look a lot more like this. They'll be dried, all the moisture will have been zapped out of them by the microwave, which is exactly what you want. If they are not dry and crisp like this, then put them in for another 30 seconds, just making sure that you don't smell any burning, because if that's happening, then you've ruined your parsley or whatever herb you're drying. So at this stage you can also break up the herb. You can either use a pestle and mortar to grind it up just a little bit, but I find it easiest to just grind it with my fingers a little bit, and you won't be beating it into oblivion, which you might do with a pestle and mortar. The last but no means least step is to label your herbs, so in this case parsley and August 2020. Now the general rule of thumb for dried herbs is they last between 1 and 3 years. Now I know that's quite a disparity in time difference, but technically they don't go bad. They do however lose their potency, so once they start to lose their fragrance, that's around about the time that they will start to lose their flavour as well, and obviously we want the flavour, so once that happens it's time to throw them away, unfortunately. And that's the end of today's tutorial guys. If you have enjoyed or you found this useful, please do drop a like on the video, also comment below, and please do consider subscribing. And guys, stay safe and I'll see you next Sunday for another episode.